Apart from using the KPLC app, you can retrieve the KPLC SMS with the tokens. Either you haven't received the SMS or deleted the SMS accidentally. This tutorial is for you. Let's make some honey. MaxiPi strives to make you efficient, productive, and save time with simple solutions. Click that subscribe button. There are two ways to get the token SMS. Through the KPLC app, make sure you check the tutorial out on this channel. And number two, the second method is getting the actual SMS resent to your phone, which we are going to discuss in this tutorial step by step. The requirement for this tutorial is you have a phone that is working, and you should have a SIM card with at least 15 shillings airtime. Step 1. Dial *977#. Then option 1, prepaid services. Then option 2, latest token. You'll be brought to this prompt. Input your meter number and then click send. And then you need to 1, confirm, and 10 shillings will be deducted from your SIM or your airtime. And then your request will be received. After a few minutes, you receive the SMS. The SMS will arrive with the meter number and the token code that you missed out. And that is how you receive the SMS back. You should note that the disadvantage of using this method is that each time you want to retrieve the SMS, you will spend 12 shillings and you only receive the last token code only. And chances are you might not get the SMS with the tokens again. That is why I recommend using the KPLC app. By using the KPLC app, you get the last 2 token SMSs and it's free to use. I'll put the link of the tutorial in the video description below. Follow us for more tips.